stand up now. I mean, bring down.
With the terms of reference of the committee is to investigate one, investigate all reported cases of image blending, finger blending, false claim of albinism, and result falsification in the 2025 examination admission. Admission. Number two, identify the methods, pattern, tools, and technologies used to perpetrate this infraction. 3. Review current examination and registration policies and recommend improvements. 4. Determine the culpability or otherwise of each of the 6,458 suspected candidates whose results, excluding the albinism group, are still being withheld. 6,458. Recommend appropriate disciplinary actions or sanction against individuals or groups found culpable. Propose a proactive framework for the detection, deterrence, and prevention of technologically enabled examination fraud in future exercises. Consider and advise on any issue incidental or related to these issues. Submit a report not later than 3 weeks after the inauguration of the committee. Distinguished gentlemen and ladies, we have chosen 3 weeks because justice delayed is said to be justice denied. In about 4 weeks, admission will close. And we believe that those who are found not to be guilty should have the opportunity. So one area that I want to plead with this committee to do everything possible. One of the former presidents of Nigeria said that he would prefer an imperfect job to a delayed job. In this case, we want to endorse that. We want, no matter how imperfect, once it's not deliberately imperfect, we want these results to be in not later than 3 weeks from today, so that it can be useful, before anything after that will amount to medicine after death or postmortem analysis. The committee is expected to complete its assignment within 3 weeks, as I've said. We are inaugurating the committee, and all those ones that they do is for you to look at them. I think it must have been done by you people, but what is important to us is that at the end of the day, we want, in 3 weeks, we want a report, actionable report that can make us deal one way or the other with the culprits or the suspects. The establishment of this special committee on examination infraction reflects the board's unwavering commitment to upholding the integrity and credibility of its examination system. With a clear mandate and carefully selected composition, the committee is expected to conduct a thorough investigation and deliver actionable, sustainable recommendations. This will not only address current threats, but also help future-proof. Will also help in future-proofing the examination process against emerging form of malpractice and technological abuse. So, with the privilege of being the registrar of JAMB, I hereby inaugurate the committee. For the albino, I take the responsibility. I have released the results, but those found culpable, no matter their number, we will withdraw the result once found culpable. But for the others, we have not, because it's not a particular group. It's Nigerians all over the country. So nobody can say we are targeting a particular group. That's why those who are a group as a group, we have released their result. Once again, I want to thank you. I want to appreciate you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today deeply honored by the trust reposed in me to serve as the chairman of this special committee on examination infractions. I accept this responsibility with humility and with a profound sense of duty. Examination malpractice is not just a breach of rules. It is a direct assault on integrity, merit, and the future of our nation's youth. The task before us is therefore a sacred one. I believe that everyone in this committee, you don't have a committee job, you have a call from God Almighty to defend the credibility of our examinations, restore public confidence, and ensure that diligence and honesty remains the true pathway to opportunity. I assure you that I will lead this committee with fairness, transparency, and determination. Together, drawing from the expertise and commitment of every member here, we will investigate diligently, recommend firmly, and to design a framework that future-proofs that our examination system against fraud and abuse. Let us work with unity of purpose, knowing that the success of this assignment will contribute not only to JAMB's credibility, but also to the destiny of thousands of young Nigerians who look to us for justice and fairness. Before I say thank you, let me remind all of us, whether you're in this room or you're going to be listening to this broadcast, that the day you were born, you cried. The whole world rejoiced. Let us live our lives that the day we die, we will rejoice and the whole world will cry. My question to you today is, what would you be remembered for? Either the problem you caused or the problem you solved. I stand before you to thank God Almighty who gave me this opportunity and to say to you that I will not fail you. Therefore, I accept and I am ready to serve. Thank you.
Especially in academics, your work is what speaks for you. Medical field, in computer science, just name it, engineering. They put Nigeria on the map. World.
Have a good program outside, and then the chairman will direct order.